too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankamuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
For me, my obibia are called Bashon Kong, Ediba Too Much GH. Then days, Munyaba, Musum for Messi, Carl, and somewhere. Circulate on my moon ever someone. Ghana free in the himself and say the democracy in the cost way, be we a personal life, a relationship, a jumemo, will be my democracy, my person, as they say. And maybe my body secret, PM, almost need a new book, as a Vienna airport, a dear cost just say 2020, there in some big, in some ways, they are no shit. Na ni abe piem kra Ghana for bobo wa abayu achese wono acclaimed musician and the thing and I said ne nyomo na nkasa emba lamplight ye chese Ghana for hu so confirm is abayu oto nyomo ampa ani thing di bad girl Nafisa na video a wono ade betu ja video na kasa fa abayu we hu se we pie chese wakọ out bi a wo chile na Bruce nti yes I video never told na video na ise mo aka ne se wono no time na che se wa ye drunk na system ni mo no aye honey na ye ko hwe video ne bra
Hey munyina montie me pie mabo be kwatie di chale oda ma make that video no awai
for say ya wono anu muton say so many there na wo ko high ne wona mo no akọ different level wa ye honey enti na che say wo hia be me bi asamre no wo betumi de ne ho abe sacrifice amano na ne wa enter into onono ne network ne net ni mo na ni mu aga amaga na fo ejomadwen kire say say de ni wo ni wi asibiem wo bia to me kan your pet will be at me and your penny sit then and anka ba will value and in some way free when you cast will buy a woman of substance and now ba will do one I just said in some can the way you're carrying the way you're yen in your ma now say a value nice and baby no ma ban one pay one more the annie say don't show a corner near one feeling say sex in our pill and no one the team one dream send me your back send me boom home say me di ni die bi to ma bra bo ho na se sie die ni akoba ni se kanewu etsesia wo dia betu dwa na eno na Ghana fo ebi ka se aya ana wo mo de nsem sa betu dwa bo bebu wo mo fi sa wo mo ni mo se ni o ma ye no ebe kwa ba betia mesan se Ghana fo ni bi tutu se wo to bo ban a esa kwa de eba wan kasa wo so na ni ye bi wo a wo mo ye a wo mo ye ahwe ye na oba ben and na be maybe be fa wo serious so we dey same say ebetu dwa ana say ye wo music career ya Ghana for ate won council wo mu ne ekoso no why no be devote no say me oba beboa o esa so wo mu susu say won kasa won am wo no wonni mu ne wo pe na won kasa so ye woni pa say da wo so de woni end down wo so no bi di ni sika aba be hye mu say oba investing efiri wo na ni ne mo bi so say hey we there Ghana for pen kre Ghana for chese on president da we pretend dey nya wo feeling enfam betuja nya wo susu na enfam betuja wo de wo ho say na be Ghana for be pa asem na ebi say ye den a ye Ghana for nya be pa asem enti o susu say na abayo ni ye de kwan so anu so atam wa ye honey na wo fa ne number no na anka one friend na anka be satisfy no na therefore wo share yes na dodo na do ma dwen kire ababetuja na wo mu say Ghana for and I want you to crank to mu. Now I say your life na kwye say kata susie mu susie enuti ne hu ni say abayo ni sema wo de betu dan video ye no gu ne hu fin ana entwa ye ana say Sasu ampa no fimpa no wagu uche se wodi ni di aton twen nchen ite from fanta wodi ni di aton twen na chere se wotwitwi nani are na waye sa video na ababetu ja na ebekọ etia na na se nesitie bia wonsu ja wadwen chere efato comment section wo efama ya face subscribe to Too Much GH if you dey can say na be ya dani dey di dwumedie bia tumu na mumu wana na wonso wonsa etumi akebi na wetumi akire wadwen na face so aya no obo homodin like ya share e dey promote Too Much GH na be ya dan da ebetumi atina se e dey amane tiefo dwumedie bia e dey bro e wonjumeku obi a wo mutimi so ya sen etumi tu sa na ho no ebi Mama Juliet Venture se wo ba wo pese wo kichi wo rawa wo ye lovely che se we ni be ka wona wo nchen so dia but mo dey friend Mama Juliet because of that wow ma we nya bibia se na wo concentrate apoli kettle che se wo ma wo she bibia o ye delivery 24/7 afa loan master Emma loan within 24 hours ne hu ya se we are government worker our Ghana na wa affordability loan master ebeboa ma we nya urgent money for urgent project na we rating so there da form crack etfo munia ba Mexico and I'm thinking that we be somewhere na day and I'm the residents ne the best Asia man.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe Too Much GH on say me kan ye nye ne bone pa ne kase epe wo wi ase ya asodin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe ne subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura